Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the real interest rate is easy if you track the supply of loanable funds correctly. Let's solve this macroeconomics problem together right now. The real interest rate is determined by the intersection of the supply and demand for loanable funds. We need to find which scenario shifts supply right or demand left to decrease rates. A decrease in government spending reduces the budget deficit, which increases the supply of national savings. This shift lowers the equilibrium real interest rate in the loanable funds market. Let's go. Higher taxes boost public savings and fund supply. Both actions ensure the rate drops, making option E the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given and check steps for the win.